A little video of the toolbox on this PE-77. Just part of the crate, really. Looks, the hinge is just nothing more than a piece of leather captured between two strips. The strips are nailed down, brad nailed at the ends that I can tell. Hinges are, well, it looks like there's some kind of hinge. Oh, that's a gasket. Never mind, that's a gasket. The hinges are internal. This is what was in the toolbox. A pair of starting ropes for the Briggs & Stratton engine. Instructions for the condenser, changing the condenser, spark plug socket, 1945 condenser for the Briggs & Stratton. This is a sediment bowl for the sediment filter, some carburetor gaskets and jets, two newer Briggs & Stratton condensers, or no, one condenser and one breaker points. This is a gasket for the outlet. Feeler gauge, no part number. Blue point flex stone. I imagine that's for the points. Anyway, that's a short. That's enough video for that. Okay, thanks. Bye.